Hello guys, this is Lexus ls400. They are opening alternator of this car. First we open this cover, open this pipe, belt and this power pulley, then we get alternator down. So guys, we open the alternator, we remove the pipe, remove the fan cover, power pulley and alternator from here. This is power pulley and this is alternator. Now we will repair it. So we remove the back cover from alternator. This is 2 bolt for carbon brush. We remove the carbon brush. Carbon brush is almost gone. This is cut out. Relay, we remove the relay, and this is a rectifier. Rectifier have fault. This is the fault of rectifier. One of 6 rectifiers is one rectifier is blown up. This is good. This is good, this is good, and this rectifier is good, this is good, this is also good. So we replace it with new one. We replace with new one now. So this is new one. We will fix new one and remove the old one. First of all, we clean for the carbon brush and we check whether the continuity is good or not, and whether the inside armature is short or not with body. Let's check this one. And this is multimeter, Unity UT51 multimeter. So we will check with the not voltage, with continuity. So let's check the continuity. One we keep above and one below. The continuity is good and it is sounding. Multimeter is sounding. If this will not sound, there is some cut between the wires which is winded in armature. And we check this one outside armature, this one with body, no short, this one with this continuity is good, this one with this continuity is good, this continuity is good. So it means there is no any cut in the winding. So let's fix the new rectifier. Okay, fix next new rectifier. We fix 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts for rectifier. We tied the bolts. Now we check the new rectifier whether it is short or it is good. We check with multimeter with the continuity. We keep positive here and negative here. Then it is good. and now negative here and positive. It is good. Now short. Now we will fix the relay. The relay have three bolts, three screws. One screw is at this place. One screw is long one at this place, and the third screw also is long one at this place. Now we fix the relay, three screws. Now we fix the carbon brushes with two screws here. Now, before fixing the back cover, this cover, we will check whether this alternator is working properly or not working properly. How we will check? We will give body current here from direct battery, positive here, and through light we give positive current through light here to generate the magnet, and then we will rotate through the machine to break down the magnet and generate the electricity. Let's do it. So to check the alternator outside from the car, we need battery, we need multimeter outside to check the voltage, we need two leads just down, and we need tester or light, and we need machine. This is 200 to 500 RPM machine, so this will generate very low voltage when we rotate the alternator. Now we connected negative lead with negative lead of multimeter, and positive lead with positive lead of multimeter with tester or light, we can say. Now we will connect the negative lead to the alternator here. Same like this. So we connected the negative. Now we will connect the positive here. Okay. Positive here. And this is the tester, which will be used as a battery light in the dashboard. When you see in the car battery light, this will be the battery light which will be on. Now when it is on, this is multimeter. we will check the voltage. Now battery have 12.66 voltage. Now we will rotate alternator through machine gun. चलो इसी लेटता हूँ सा बेदा ले उठता हूँ सा सीधी ओढ़ The light is closed now, and you can check the voltage is very slow because the machine have very slow power, slow RPM. So we should rotate the gun through tightening side, and now we will rotate. Check out the light. Light is on. Now we start to rotate and check out the voltage. It is 12.64 now, and we start rotating. So guys, now alternator is ready to fix it back. Alternator is ready. Now we are gonna fix it back here.